The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. This is the Orange Brulee. What is the crack? Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome to the Christmas Cocktail Advent Calendar. If you haven't been following along, in this series we're making Christmas cocktails and we have surprise special guests throughout the series. There's also a cocktail competition to follow along to. Details of that will be in the description below, but you can win a signed copy of the Educated Barflies cocktail book, plus another cocktail book, a cocktail shaker, and some other stuff. Check the details below. Anyway, today's cocktail is called the Orange Brulee, and it is one of the top rated cocktails on the Difford's Guide. I've never tried it. Let's make it. Let's find out how it tastes. And to begin with, we're going to go 45 mils of a Grand Marnier. 45 mils is 1.5 ounces. Let's go. $45 ounces to your mixing glass. We're going 45 mils of Amaretto next. This cocktail has quite a lot of booze in it. Be perfect for after Christmas dinner as a dessert on its own. 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of Amaretto. I'm using Luxardo Amaretto today. And 25 mil of your Grand Marnier. Just going to add some ice to your mixing glass. We're just going to give this a little stir for about 15 to 20 seconds. How is everybody's holidays going so far? I know it's the start of December, but some people like to be organized. I'm not one of them. I leave all my Christmas shopping to the very last week. We're then going to stir that into a chilled coupe glass. And then with the back of a spoon, you're going to float the your whipped cream on top. Now, I've only lightly whipped this, so it's still pourable, so hopefully we layer with no problems. And it's grand. It's going to layer lovely. You want to pour it slowly so it doesn't sink. That's the secret when you're layering whipped cream on top. And garnish for this one is just going to be some grated nutmeg. Got those wintry, lovely, warming smells of the nutmeg. Beautiful. Well, let's give this a little sip, see what's going on in the glass, eh? Wow. Wow. There's not many cocktails that actually have cognac as its base. Not that I know, anyway. This does taste like a dessert in a glass. It's sweet. It's pretty sweet because of the Amaretto. But that Amaretto kind of plays really well with the cognac. Giving it a kind of, I don't know, it's like an orange, fruity, Christmassy cake kind of vibe thing going on here. Like an orange brulee. But yeah, very interesting. Give this one a go, folks. Orange Brulee. Bit of a dessert treat. Try it out. See what's going on. See you on the next one. That's damn tasty, actually. Damn tasty.